Hmm? I don't see myself on YouTube yet. Give me a second, please. Give me a second, please. Hello, 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 everybody. Okay, finally. Hello, internet. My name Alex. I'm doing a game Elemental Novice. And today is the last day of my marathon where I create new spell for my game Elemental Novice. And today I'm gonna make a spell which slows down the enemies by spawning the heavy rocks on their legs. Game which I'm doing is available on Steam. There is free demo and status is early access. Early access because the game isn't so great, isn't so fun. I'm gonna change it a little bit and then it will be published as a pure, would like to say masterpiece, but at least a good solid game. So let's start to do it. Uh, Magic System passive spell. It's gonna be new folder. Rock boots. So I have some similar effect on a player. For example, when player oops when player do concentration after using air spells. There are some rocks on his legs, so he cannot run normally. And I'm gonna do the similar effect for enemies. Give me a second. I noticed something what I don't want to be. I have too much mana. I am preparing build for publishing it. And I just noticed that player has too much mana. Basic components. Mana 6. I'm editing some parameters somewhere. Okay, if I do it here, it's totally fine. Let me see. Yeah, it's definitely fine. So let's create. I already made a folder, rock books, boots. Uh, Control C, Control V. Rock boots. Passive spell. Name may not contain the following characters. Ah, I see. What is it do? Contain some. Aha. Gar, not gar. Okay. So I should take this, put it here as a spell set. Then I should delete this stuff. And I have some similar spell. Not spell, but effect. Let me see in a library this thing. Print my player state. Passive spells. Backroom. And passive spell. So I have spell where I attach some vacuum to the enemy's heads, and enemies who is breathing start to lose health. And I'd like to do the similar. I'm gonna attach on legs some meshes and slow down the enemies. So I do it by vacuum spell. My player state vacuum spell. I cannot go, so magic system, not air. Passive spell, air, vacuum. And I gonna copy this and pass it here. Confirm. Yeah. I'm gonna copy this function. Copy. Paste. How should I call this function? I will do apply spell. I'm not sure that I need this parameter here. And in apply spell, I'm doing reaction on vacuum. What is interface? I should do it as a stone rock boots. Like this. So I'd like to spawn first this stuff. First that enemy reaction on spells. Okay, here's reaction on vacuum. And I'm gonna do the similar. On this. I'm not gonna spawn effect. I'm gonna spawn rock, add static mesh component. Let's do make it look like this. Dirty rock. I'm gonna do it twice. I see now. Static mesh. Can I add static mesh attached? Static mesh. No. Static mesh from component. Okay, not big deal. Not big deal. I'm gonna do just attach component to component. As the component is gonna be mesh, and I will have to go through those meshes and find the sockets. So I should call it properly. Add um how should I call it? You know, I don't like do it here. To create new variables in these variables here. Event put on rocks. Let's not do it here for now. I'd like to go back to the spell. Action on vacuum. Typical. It's even not necessary, it can be base character. Base character. Mesh. So by this I'm gonna attach those stones. So it's gonna be left leg socket. And this is gonna be right. Left socket. And if we're talking about zombie, I should go to its skeleton. I should find the proper one. Okay, looks fine for me. Add socket. Yes. I'm gonna call it right left socket. Gonna be left. Not big deal, but who knows what I'm gonna do with these sockets. Oh. This add socket. Gonna be right. Let's see. Gonna work. Oh, you don't see. Time. Take this stuff. And I don't see the thing happened. And draw debug here. Location radius is okay. Let's 2000. Mm-hmm. This apply spell. Or price player also pulled out. I forget to make something. So these meshes which I'm applying, they should not have collision. Otherwise they may interfere with this. Don't generate anything. It is the same. Okay. So this zombie. Rest. This rock boot on his legs. So now I'm gonna do the similar stuff for everything. For how long should I do this? And how should I remove it? So the problem that it's not a problem. Minor stuff that I have to remember somewhere that I applied this effect. And I think I probably should remember this in enemies. Do I have X? Oh, where was it? Where was it? Which text do I have? I have a label for tag. Yes, tag. Game tag. Interesting. I don't remember that I added this. Let's load. Oh. Hmm. I'm afraid I anyway have to add. Aha. I was trying to do enemy blueprint. Uh, so I'd like to take it like this character. This I have to remove. Base character. Add not unique. Maybe add unique. Okay. Or to variable on legs. Hmm? And let's see if it's still gonna work as I expect. It a little bit doesn't work as I expected. The location of rocks a little bit moved. So what difference? Relative transform 0. Ah, wait. I didn't choose parent. Hmm? So now it works fine. And okay, I can remove this. Hmm. Let's do this for her. No, I just need add some. Gonna be left, 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 left socket, left, back. So for the bear, I should rewrite the function. I should multiply it. Okay. First of all, here it should be like this. For the bear, I should do it 4 times. 1, maybe only for the back legs. Yeah, because sometimes bears stand up and this gesture. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna do it only for the back legs. Oh. That's good. Instead of right, it's gonna be should be left. Should be right. Player state. This. See? Hmm. No, I don't like the left. Let's do one more time. That's it. This should be the same. I'm gonna. Huh. Ice bar. Yeah. I see the error. Because one of them should be left. No, everything was correct. Right leg socket. Left. Now it's proper. I'm not in rush. I see that I'm a little bit slower than usual, but it's okay. It's the last day. I mean, doesn't mean that I'm not gonna stream anymore. Yeah, the rocks on his legs looks fine for me. So that's what I should do for other enemies. Hmm. What else? What else should I do? I should slow enemies down by this. And I should the time for slowing down. So let's do mm, delay. Not delay, maybe. Apply spell. Valid. I have to check if it's valid. Because it's valid. Add more to variable. Affected enemies. Affected enemies. So this all enemies who were affected by the spell. Get for each loop. Delay. Let's do 15 for now. And I should remove this spell. Effect. Cast to character. Character. Wait. Character print. It has rocks, legs for each. Destroy component. Yeah, this is for now. Let's do 5 seconds. Oh yeah, one zombie has rocks on his legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're still on his legs. Try one more time. Two, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. No, doesn't work. 5 affected. Hmm? Yes. Six. 3. Hmm. Let's see if I do it at all. Okay, I get here. Yes. Okay, I passed. The component. Okay, they wasn't destroyed for some reason. Interesting. Let's put it into the player logic maybe. So what am I doing? I'm doing it by this. Add function take of boots. Boots for each. Maybe put it, not this, but detach. No, I cannot. Destroy component. Attach component. This. Okay, so detaching is working. And what if... Okay, I'm gonna detach it. Oh no, oh no. Can I destroy it? Okay, I cannot destroy it for some reason. I don't know why. But I have some similar effect. Two, three, this. And I'm running. And those are regular rocks. Let's see how I create this armor. Magic system, earth, earth skin, sun. Generate rocks. This is scale for the rocks. Engine stop to respond. Okay, I'm back. Scale. Aha, I'm doing as a flying rock. Hmm. So I gonna use this not as a meshes. My player state found the buffer. Flying rocks. And scale. Vector scale. And Yeah. Okay. And I need to apply static mesh one. Again, pause a little bit. Static. Mesh. Like this. Okay. Yeah. So that's how it works. I don't need to pound it like this anymore. And the similar stuff I'm doing here. This pounding stuff. Hmm. I removed it too early. I should make attachments. Make attachments. Not a problem. Slightly more complicated than I thought, but it's okay. I will be able to handle it. So I spawned flying rock, set scale, rotation, what is not necessary. Then I attach I'm setting up mesh and set relative location relative transform. Let's do transform. But before I have to do comments like this. For one rock attached to one leg. I should do the same with second. This code duplication looks the same, but I will rewrite it. I just need to implement it first. Maybe I make it differently, like I have rocks on legs. Okay, let's do it as a. So this is static mesh component. Map, change variable type, name, change variable type, static mesh component, change variable type, and yes, of course, there are errors. Be alive. Hashtag engine don't die. So now get values flex. So Get an engine to plug a bit. Save everything. Couple windows which I'm not using. What else I have on my computer open? Short quits. Okay, not much by the way. However, my question. I'm gonna enumerate this for each loop. Didn't know that I can do this. Usually I did value for, and then I did keys. I did like copy like this. That's cool. So I can do mapping of this stuff. Follow body. This. I do this. Value. I do static mesh. So technically they all have the same static mesh. It may be a little bit different what they meant. Uh, actor variable type. Oh. Uh, why is it still like this with actor? Clear and clear. Let's say all. Well, I expected it's gonna be like this. Set timer. Set relative transform. Okay. Right, I can do it. I can do it. Yeah. First, static mesh, no collision. Mesh, no collision. Let's see if I still can generate the rocks around the lab. Strong spell. Somebody already has it. 5. Okay, spawn it. But why did I spawn it before? Interesting. Maybe I found some bug. But okay. This stuff which I implemented is working. And now I'd like to took off the boots. Yeah, how am I doing this? Right. Oh, like this. Get up, follow, touch, all by gravitation. Custom rock. Like this. Hmm? All affected enemies. I don't have to do this. I should make boot, take off boot. And zombie in 5 minutes should lose them. Yes, and he lose them totally. Okay. And I can, for example, burn them. Yes, yes, okay. That's very cool. That's very fine. Off boot and destroy. Correct. Operation, let's do 15 for now. And now I have to slow down the enemies. I have some variable responsible for slowing down. Base character. modificators. Where am I getting this from? Then how can I find it? Special speed modificators. Criterion. The consequences. I'm gonna rename this by rocks on legs and enemies. Don't have it. Find by rocks on legs. I'm gonna apply. Already exists. Base chart. Don't remember that I'm using it somewhere. I do. Oh, I cannot. Okay. Okay. I never use. Down by legs. This is because I have up by. I don't remember that I was working on this much. Okay. Okay. Let's go to L. So when I put it in the wrong place. On rooks, boost, put off boost. Fix. No reaction. Okay. So when I put puts on, I do by rocks on leg. Let's do 6. 6 by 25 is by 5 is 150. So like twice. Here I'm gonna do this. And after this I should change speed. Change. Dash. It's gonna work. one zombie to be slowed down a little bit. Yes, walking not so fast. They in general don't walk fast, but he's walking not fast at all. Yeah, now when the heart fell down, he speeded up a bit. This is perfect. Exactly what I wanted to do. So I think technically I implemented what I wanted to implement today. I just need to propagate those sockets on skeletons of another characters, another enemies, and it's gonna work fine as expected. Also, there can be killed. I don't want him inherited this spell. Haters. Reset speed. Haters for it. Maybe just here. Yes. And change speed. Something like this. And when enemy goes to buffer, we have it here. No, I don't have it here. Then I'm going to typical enemy. Typical enemy. The character. Cool. Set buffer. Take off. So in case if you're gonna have boots, you'll be fine. Well, I think it's all for today. I made some spell. I'm slightly lazy to propagate the spell on other enemies right now, so it's gonna be probably out of steam when I turn on nice music and I'm gonna listen it and do the stuff which I like to do. But anyway, thank you everybody for being here or accidentally visiting it. My name is Alex. I'm doing the game Elemental Novice, which I hope very cool and interesting to play soon. And see you later somehow. Goodbye.